In a mixing bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of dry rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Last but not least, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give that a quick mix to combine. For this recipe, we are using 1.5 pounds of pork tenderloin. Feel free to remove any excess fat and the silver skin. Using paper towels, pat dry your pork tenderloin to remove any excess moisture. Then transfer the pork tenderloin into the marinade. Ensure that the pork tenderloin is evenly coated in the marinade. Get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Now cover and transfer to the fridge for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours. Then in a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, add a splash of olive oil. Sear the pork tenderloin on all sides until it forms a nice brown crust, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. Oh, and one more thing, do not forget to subscribe and press the like button. Once the pork tenderloin has developed a beautiful brown crust, pour the rest of the marinade all over the pork tenderloin. Insert an instant read thermometer into the thickest part of the pork tenderloin. Now transfer the skillet into the preheated oven and roast at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooking time may vary depending on the thickness of your pork tenderloin. And if everything goes according to plan, your pork tenderloin would look like this. Ensure that the internal temperature of your pork tenderloin is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer to a cutting board and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. By letting it rest, the pork tenderloin will stay tender and juicy. And once the pork tenderloin has rested, go ahead and slice it. Feel free to add some of the pan juices over the pork tenderloin as the pan juices are bursting with flavor. And for a pop of color, garnish with fresh parsley. There you guys have it, honey garlic roasted pork tenderloin. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.